So now we'll see the low level design where we'll see in more details. So your LTE protocol stack is vertically divided into two planes, control plane and user plane. And the protocol which belongs to control plane will handle the signaling information, and the protocol belongs to user plane will handle the user traffic information. So in the core network protocol we have NAS layer and RRC layer. These two layers will transmit only signaling information. So it is this layer, that's why this layer belongs to only control plane. PDCP, RLC, MAC physical. PDCP, RLC, MAC phase, you see, this belongs to both plane, control plane and user plane both. Generalize. So when the any information will come from higher layer to lower layer, these layers will communicate with each other. RRC layer is known as the master layer, which will have the controlling information to all other layers. Means RRC layer is communicating with all other layers. देखो, RRC will communicate with the PTCP, RRC will communicate with the RLC, RRC will communicate with MAC, RRC will communicate with the physical, and RRC will communicate with the NAS. So RRC is known as the master layer, which will communicate with all other layers. Now generalize, this physical layer is known as the layer 1. From here till here, it's known as layer 2, and RRC and NAS is called the layer 3. PDCP is the first layer who will transmit or receive your user packets. Then it will transmit down to the RLC, MAC, physical. Same way, when your layer 3 message, RRC or NAS will create, it will go to the different layer. That's why PTCP, RLC, MAC, physical transmit signaling as well as the user information. Both information will be transmitted. Now, how the information will be transmitted? For that, we have this higher layer to lower layer. Now, these are the protocol stack that you have to compare with this diagram. So this is high level design of your protocol stack. This is the low level design of your protocol stack. So here we have to understand out of these layers, which layer is working as a radio protocol. So actually this is the layer other than NAS. These all layers other than NAS means RRC, PTCP, RLC, MAC, physical. It's called the radio protocol. And NAS को बोलते हैं core network protocol. I say here na, your mobile having the two types protocol, radio and core network. So these are the radio protocol. Other than NAS, all are radio protocol. So if mobile is having a radio protocol, this is your UE. What I see in the high level design, E node B also having the radio protocol to communicate with the mobile. So E node B also the radio protocol means E node will also have the physical, MAC, RLC, PDCP, RRC. Then, as you know, eNodeB will not have the core network protocol. देखो eNodeB के पास core network protocol नहीं है, so इसलिए eNodeB में NAS नहीं होगा. Peer to peer communications already I said means RRC से communicate करेगा PDCP से, but directly communicate नहीं करेंगे. फिर वही रूल है, ऐसे each layers information ऐड करेगा, receiver corresponding layer से रिमूव करेगा. बट बार बार मैं वो चीज दिखा नहीं सकता हूं, मैं ऑलरेडी 2 बार बता चुका. सो इस तरह से आपका यूई eNodeB कम्युनिकेट करेगा. eNodeB में NAS नहीं होंगे. मोबाइल का NAS जो है वो MME के NAS से कम्युनिकेट करेगा, ऑलरेडी मैं बोल चुका हूं. देन हाउ दिस इंफॉर्मेशन विल बी ट्रांसमिटेड फ्रॉम हायर लेयर टू लोअर लेयर. फॉर दैट वी हैव द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ चैनल. The first channel is, in LP there are 3 types of channel between RLC to the MAC, logical channel between RLC and MAC, between MAC and physical, transport channel from mobile physical to the eNodeB physical or eNodeB physical to mobile physical. There is physical channel. So in LT there are 3 types of channel: logical channel, transport channel and physical channel. Same story here between physical and MAC, transport channel, MAC to RLC, logical channel. So there will be 3 types of channel in LT. Logical channel, first one. Second one, transport channel. Third one, physical channel. So now we'll see these channels in detail. आज थोड़ा मेरा हेल्थ सही लग रहा है, तो आज इतना तक नहीं रोकते हैं हम लोग. कल मैं इस चैनल को आपको डिटेल्स में बताता हूँ.